What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Sandman's Dreamland. We are back again, back ready to do it. I know it's been a while, guys, but I've had a lot of things going on. I tell you, I had a lot of medical things going on and everything with this coronavirus and everything, and I'm just trying to be safe and be ready to go. So we're going to get a mow in. We're going to get some insecticide on it because I have a problem with love bugs. Like, look at this. Look at them. Oh, God. They're everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yeah, there they are. Yep. So we're going to put some insecticide down. Then I'm going to put down some RGS, Humic 12. I'm going to do a light dose of GreenPunch. Just to give it a little bit more oomph, and hopefully this thing will all work out. So stay tuned. Now, I've done a lot of work around here the last couple weeks, and I haven't done no filming because I really haven't felt good. So I've done some work, and you can see that I got the mulching done. My mulch, my edges. Oh yeah, yeah. What do y'all think of that? That is beautiful, ain't it? That's my neighbor's turf type tall fescue, if y'all remember my video from last season. I did the renovation on this, and she is coming gorgeous, y'all. I'm gonna cut that today too. I'm counting on once the warmer air hits, it's gonna kill off all that, all the weeds, and you know, they're cold season weeds, they're gonna die. So I'm just gonna let them go and see what happens. And this summer, if I need to, I spray it. If I don't, which I hope I won't, because I'm hoping that POA is gonna all die. It's gonna be too hot for it. So yeah, and that's my baby right there. That red tip was planted by my grandfather probably 20 years ago, and I have fertilized it and done all kinds of good stuff to it. I've been keeping it trimmed, kept it mulched, and This thing is just gorgeous, y'all. Now, my grandmother came down the other day ago for my daughter's birthday party, and even she had said she's never seen a red tip bloom like that. My grandfather used to have a whole hedgerow all the way down this line right here, and they all died, and this is the only one that survived. And look how pretty this thing is. I mean, she is just beautiful and big. I mean, look how tall it is. That thing is huge. It's got to be 10 foot tall. Alright guys, so that was the video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all that fancy stuff, the old YouTube stuff. And remember, this video is not sponsored, but good stuff. Good stuff. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one.
Alright, it's time to scalp, Theo. You gonna help me? Yeah? We're gonna scalp this baby. So I've got the Bluebird Dethatcher here, Scarfire, Verticutter,